How would they know? Who's gonna know? Who is going to know? And it is just gold right here. Just look at that detail. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, or fondly called Mrs. M. And if you're not new, thank you so much, Butterfly, for rocking with me and coming back to my channel today. In today's video, are you ready? Are you ready? I said I was going to get more big girl bags in 25, and this is one of those bags. This bag is from Wishbase. I have their website on the screen right now and their link in the description. I also have a discount code for you so that you can get some discount when you shop, because I do believe in these bags. Oh my goodness. We're going straight into the juiciness. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you love all things girly, cooking, fun, fashion, lifestyle, just the whole like chill lifestyle, you know. Just subscribe. We love makeup as well. We just love to glow. We are butterflies over here. We identify as butterflies. Okay, today's video is sponsored by Wishbase RU, and I got this gorgeous bag from their website. Now you may or may not know, but you can get amazing deals for bags for an incredible fraction of the price. I know you've heard about like, oh, they get these here and they sell you the name, but I have experienced it firsthand. This bag is from this website and it's in the color white. I wanted to get a white Chanel. Oh my goodness, I've wanted this bag, you know, the 10,000 version, the 10,000 or $20,000 version for a while, and my money have not yet reached. It's still in my wish list. Okay, but Wishbase has granted that wish. Do you see my one plate there? Oh my goodness, I got that in here. I also have certificates. Okay, they got you covered with whatever it is you may need. I think this is such an incredible way to look at the certificates here. And there's a card. What do you call that now? There's a card in here, this child. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. So this is my new bag. This is I've already taken it out. Oh my goodness. We're trying to get thumbnail pictures here, but look at this gorgeousness. Look at this gorgeousness. Like, what are you telling me is this bag? Can you see how gorgeous this bag is? The craftsmanship is just incredible. It's just gorgeousness. Look at that detail underneath. Like, I mean, what more could you want in a bag? In a white gorgeous bag. What more? This goes with my outfit so good. I actually unboxed it to carry to church today. I am going to dazzle all through. It comes with, of course, just look at that. I don't even know how to explain to you the amount of detail and craftsmanship I'm looking going into this bag. Why break the bank when you can? I don't know how to explain this, because if you have the $10,000 and the $10 million to spend, up to you. But this is so beautiful. This was $222 on their website, and if you use my discount code, you will get even more off. Oh, this is just so beautiful. So yeah, this is the card that is in here. It has just things, authentication for your bag, I guess. you know. Oh, this bag is so beautiful. Wow, such quality leather. Oh wow, it comes with this strap. I just took it out now. Can you see how beautiful that is? I want to put it on the bag right now because wow. This is so incredible. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. God, please give me strength. Huh? It's so beautiful, no? I love it so much. I've always wanted a white classic, you know, Chanel purse. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you see? Ah! Ah! This is so beautiful. Would highly recommend. Highly recommend. This is so beautiful. Would highly recommend. Highly, because I am just so impressed right now. I'm looking at it, holding it, feeling it, touching it, and it is just gold right here. Just look at that detail. Just look at that. Like, check out Wish Bees for your own bag. They have so many bags available, so many things. It's not just bags, they have so many things available. So check them out and make sure you try out this, not this bag. If you don't have another, if you have another one on your wish list, they will grant you your wish, okay? But definitely check them out. Use my code as well. Thank you so much to Wish Bees for sponsoring this video. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Let me know if this bag is on your wish list or what bag is actually on your wish list. We could search for these bags together and get you really amazing deals. Really amazing deals. Like, how will they know? Bye my loves. Mwah.